Let's start and build your smart tiny house with future technology.
This house is smaller than a bedroom, but it's smarter than most big homes. It runs on AI controls, smart systems, and voice automation.
Hidden furniture and space-saving tech make everything automatic.
This is future living. Would you live here? Follow for more tech.
Planned using 3D modeling systems.
AI optimizes every inch.
Precision foundation begins. Strong and efficient base. Structure assembly starts. Prefab frame goes up fast. Smart insulated walls. Energy efficient glass. Sealed with precision tech. Roof structure complete. Solar power installed. Solar system is now connected. Clean energy starts flowing. Now we build the smart interior.
Smart wiring goes inside the walls.
Sensors monitor everything. This is the Homel's brain. Control system is online.
Voice control is activated.
Intelligent lighting installed. Lights respond automatically.
Smart temperature control added.
AI adjusts the climate. Security system goes live.
Biometric access enabled.
Now the house becomes truly smart.
Smart modular flooring installed. All wiring stays hidden and protected. Storage is built into the walls.
But watch this wall closely.
The bed appears automatically. And disappears in seconds. Even the desk is transformable. The kitchen expands when needed. Smart systems prepare the space.
Cabinets move to you.
Even the fridge is intelligent.
Water is filtered by smart tech.
The bathroom uses space-saving tech.
Mirrors become information screens.
Now let's test voice control. Turn on lights.
Lights respond instantly.
Dim lights to 30%. Brightness adjusts by voice.
Set temperature to 22 degrees.
Temperature changes automatically. Security mode activated.
Unlock door for guest. Doors unlock securely.
All systems connect to AI.
Energy is tracked live.
Night mode turns on itself. Motion sensors guide lighting.
Windows adjust to sunlight. Blinds close automatically.
Full control from your phone.
Monitor your home anywhere.
This is true smart automation. Space-saving intelligence telegen, fully realized.
The house even supports your daily routine. Warning systems start automatically.
Work mode appears in seconds.
Perfect for remote work. Energy usage stays low.
Solar handles most power needs. Water systems reduce waste.
Cleaning is automated too.
Small space, big comfort. Storage is everywhere. Layout changes for guests. Travel mode secures everything. Every inch is intelligently designed. All systems run together.
Comfort meets technology. It protects itself at night.
This is future living. Smart, compact, powerful. Small space can change big lives.
Subscribe for more future tech builds.
The smart tiny house is now complete.
See you in the next build.